A number 1568x35y is divisible by 88. What are the values of x and y? Now, the given number is divisible by 88. That means the divisibility test of 88 is that the number should be divisible by 8 and 11. So the given number is divisible by 8 and 11, and hence it should satisfy the divisibility tests of both of them. Now, the divisibility test of 8 is the last three digits should be divisible by 8. Okay, so therefore, let's divide the last three digits, that is 3, 5y. Okay, so we have here 3, 5y. Now, 8 fours are 32. So remainder is 3 and we have y. Now we know for sure that 35y must be divisible by 8. That means the remainder should be 0. Now in the table of 8, there is only one number starting with 3, that is 32. So 3y minus 32 should be equal to 0. And hence we can conclude that the value of y must be 2. Now coming to the value of x. Now the divisibility test of 11 is that we have to first of all add alternate numbers. Okay. So starting with the units digit. Now the units digit is y, that is 2. So starting with 2, we add all the odd numbers, alternate numbers. So 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 5. So 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 5. That is 18. And starting with the tenth digit, that is 5, we add again the alternate numbers. So 5 plus x plus 6 plus 1. Now this addition comes out to be 12 plus x. Now this, if we represent the addition of all numbers starting with the units digit as u and represent the addition of all numbers starting with the tens digit alternate numbers by t. The difference between these two should be either 0 or multiples of 11. Now in this case, it will become 18 minus 12 plus x. Now over here, it will become the difference is 6 minus x. Now 6 minus x cannot be equal to 11, 22 or any other multiple of 11 except 0. So therefore the equation becomes 6 minus x is equal to 0. And therefore we can conclude that the value of x is equal to 6. That is our answers, x equal to 6 and y equal to 2.